Quickly! Battery's running out.
Alright, one more.
See, it was easy as that. Come on.
This is gonna be funny. Hopefully it doesn't.
You were gonna make it. I think you're gonna make it, man. You had a lot of air on that.
Try it again, but don't pansy out this time.
Shut up.
It's just like jumping over me, you know. You can do it.
Don't pansy out.
Just don't pansy out. Don't. Dude! Oh! You had that.
Try it from this angle, so we can get a good shot at it.
I'm never gonna make this.
Dude, you had that. You just gotta stay on the scooter.
Come on. One more try.
My legs are fucking tired. I'll try this again later.
I really wanted to